Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm going to be talking about the Gerber Strongarm Camp. This is a really cool knife made in America with some really neat features and just overall a great form factor. So I'm going to walk you through all the specs, all the features, and kind of give you a good idea of what to expect in this knife and whether it's a good pickup for your gear. So if you want to learn more about the Strongarm Camp, stay tuned.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, so as I mentioned in the intro today, I'm talking about the Strongarm Camp. This thing is a really cool fixed blade knife. So if you're looking for something that's a real workhorse for around camp, doing all sorts of tasks related to camping, cooking, that sort of thing, this may be a good option for you. And again, I'm going to give you all the info that I can on it. So let me start by kind of showing you everything that comes with the knife. So of course you get the knife itself, you get this plastic sheath, you do get this removable belt clip that you can use for, horizontal carry. So if you like to carry this sideways on your belt, you can do that using this little clip, which is really easy to remove. It basically has this little clip that goes through the back here and then attaches it to the rest of the sheath. Or you can use this cloth one that comes with it. The thing that I don't like about it is, so it's all button based, right? But it's just kind of floppy. So I don't really like this. I probably won't use this just because it tends to flop around, smack against your backside or your hip. And so I've already removed that thing because I'm planning to, again, carry this horizontally on my belt. But I like that they give you options, right? I like that they give you multiple ways that you can mount this thing. So again, if you want to attach the existing plastic sheath to it, you basically take this piece that comes with it. It basically fits right down on there just like that. And then you're going to slide this little piece right into the end here. So you're going to put that right in there. That goes through and then it clicks into place. And then now that's attached. And then again, you can put this on your belt. You can carry it horizontally. That's how I plan to carry it. So talking about the knife itself, this is an American made knife, which I really like. It is 420 high carbon steel. It's full tang, so the metal runs all the way through to the end. Has a lanyard hole at the top here, so if you wanted to attach this to a lanyard, you could do that. That's not my style, but you could. It's got this really nice sort of diamond print handle here, so it's got a really good grippiness to it. The overall length of the knife is just under 9 inches and the blade length is 4 inches. So again, you've got a really nice work surface. You've got a great way to grip it. You can there's tons of tasks you can do. You can baton wood with this thing. You can, cut paracord. You can do all kinds of tasks around camp. You could use it for cooking and things like that. It's extremely sharp and it comes extremely sharp, which I was impressed with because a lot of the times you get knives, especially from the larger companies like this, that just aren't very sharp out of the box. This thing is extremely sharp, so I like that. But again, it's based off, they've had the Strongarm for quite a while. I think this Strongarm Camp is just a slightly revised version of that knife, but right around the $90 mark. So a very budget-minded knife, like a very affordable knife. But again, with this sort of rubberized diamond grip handle, it's great to work with. You can put a lot of force on that blade. You can get a lot of chores done around camp. And the fact that you can horizontal carry or ambidextrous carry this thing or attach it to a belt loop, however you want, is really nice. You get a ton of options with this knife. But again, if you're looking for a good fixed blade from a great American company and that's American made, this is a great option. Another thing that I really like about all Gerber stuff is that they all come with a lifetime warranty. So if you ever had a failure or a defect or anything like that, you can reach out to them. You know they're going to be around because they've been around forever, right? Like they're a big, solid company that will be there if you ever had any sort of warranty concerns or anything like that, and they'll take care of you. So that is a nice peace of mind thing with this knife. So again, if you're looking for a fixed blade knife, something under the $100 range, this Gerber Strongarm Camp might be a good option for you. Of course, if you have any questions or anything like that about this knife, post up in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you've got. If you got value out of the video, hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop, because I do a couple every week, usually like a gear video like this, and then some sort of a general overlanding or dispersed camping video or do-it-yourself modifications or gear mods, that kind of thing. So anything to do with the outdoors, camping, overlanding, dispersed camping, that kind of thing, there's going to be content here for you. And I think you're going to like it. Also in the description down below are links to all my other social channels, so wherever you want to come hang out, I'd love to have you. There's also a join button below this video, which is just kind of a passive way to support the channel, but you do get early access to the videos and some other perks. So again, no pressure, but if you want to support the channel, that's a great way to do it. Then there's a link to my Patreon group where we've got a 24/7 Discord. We all kind of chat in there. We have a once a month Zoom call, and we're doing a couple of trips every year. So again, if you want to be more actively involved with all things overlanding, if you want to come hang out, that's a good way to do that. And then of course there's the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group, totally free to join. So if you're newer and want to learn more about overlanding, that would be a good place to start. But again, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.